Welcome to Lesson 6 of the Violin Method for Beginners by Poppy Violin Studio. I'm Jamie, and in this video I'm going to introduce you to the rhythms that you will be playing on your violin in the next couple lessons. In this video we're going to be learning how to clap eighth notes, 16th notes, and quarter notes. And to learn these rhythms I will teach you words that will help you remember what these rhythms sound like. I love flowers, so I like to use flower names to describe these rhythms. First I will show you eighth notes. And to describe eighth notes, I say poppy, poppy. First, we will clap this rhythm, and then in later lessons, we are going to be playing this rhythm on the violin. This is a very effective technique that I learned from the Suzuki Violin Method. So let's clap poppy, poppy. First, I will show you, and then we will do a second time together. Poppy, poppy, rest, rest. Poppy, poppy, rest. Rest, poppy, poppy, rest, rest, poppy, poppy, rest, the end. Okay, why don't you join me this time? I'm going to count off. 1, 2, ready, go. Poppy, poppy, rest, rest, poppy, poppy, rest, rest, poppy, poppy, rest, rest, poppy, poppy, rest, the end. Next, I'm going to show you 16th notes, and for this rhythm, I say honeysuckle, honeysuckle. I will demonstrate first, and then I'll ask you to join me the second time. Honeysuckle, honeysuckle, rest, rest. Honeysuckle, honeysuckle, rest, rest. Honeysuckle, honeysuckle, rest, rest. Honeysuckle, honeysuckle, rest, the end. Okay, join me this time. 1, 2, ready, go. Honeysuckle, honeysuckle, rest, rest. Honeysuckle, honeysuckle, rest, rest. Honeysuckle, honeysuckle, rest, rest. Honeysuckle, honeysuckle, rest, the end. Next, I'm going to show you a combination of eighth notes and 16th notes, and this rhythm is called sunflower, sunflower. I'll go first. Sunflower, sunflower, rest, rest. Sunflower, sunflower, rest, rest. Sunflower, sunflower, rest, rest. Sunflower, sunflower, rest, the end. Okay, join me this time. 1, 2, ready, go. Sunflower, sunflower, rest, rest. Sunflower, sunflower, rest, rest. Sunflower, sunflower, rest, rest. Sunflower, sunflower, rest, the end. Great. Last, I'm going to show you quarter notes, which I call rose, rose. I'll go first. Rose, rose, rest, rest. Rose, rose, rest, rest. Rose, rose, rest, rest. Rose, rose, rest, the end. Join me this time. 1, 2, ready, go. Rose, rose, rest, rest. Rose, rose, rest, rest. Rose, rose, rest, rest. Rose, rose, rest, the end. So now I'm going to show you how to mimic the arm motion that your bow will be doing. And this is part of that Suzuki Violin Method technique that works very well. I highly recommend that you do this because it will help your muscles understand what they need to do when you go into playing position with the bow, which we're going to do very soon. Let's start with the poppy rhythm. I'll show you first what it looks like. You're going to put your right arm just above your left elbow, and you're simply going to scrub your arm with the rhythm like this. Poppy, poppy, rest, rest. Poppy, poppy, rest, rest. Poppy, poppy, rest, rest. Poppy, poppy, rest, the end. So go ahead and pause the video and give that a try a couple more times. Now let's try the honeysuckle rhythm. Again, you're going to put your right hand just above your left elbow. And honeysuckle rhythm is for 16th notes, and these are smaller notes. So smaller notes get smaller bows. Honeysuckle, here we go. Honeysuckle, honeysuckle, rest, rest. Honeysuckle, honeysuckle, rest, rest. Honeysuckle, honeysuckle, rest, rest. Honeysuckle, honeysuckle, rest, the end. Go ahead and pause the video and try that a couple more times so you get used to that. Next, we're going on to sunflower rhythm, And sunflower is a combination of 1/8 note and 2/16 notes. So now we are having to change the amount of bow that we're going to be using. So the longer note is an 1/8 note for the sun, and then the flower is 2/16 notes. So these are small. So you can essentially think long, short, short, long, short, short, rest, rest, long, short, short, long, short, short, rest, rest, long, short, short, long, short, short, rest, rest, long, short, short, long, short, short, rest, the end. So let's do that one more time with the sunflower rhythm. Sunflower, ready, go. Sunflower, sunflower, rest, rest. Sunflower, sunflower, rest, rest. Sunflower, sunflower, rest, rest. Sunflower, sunflower, rest, the end. Pause the video if you want to and practice that a couple more times. And now let's go on to rose, rose, which are quarter notes. Quarter notes last for one full count. So when you do them, they are going to be much longer than any of these other rhythms that we just did. Rose, rose, here I go. Rose, rose, rest, rest. Rose, rose, rest, rest. Rose, rose, rest, rest. Rose, rose, rest, the end. So now you know 1/8 notes, 16th notes, and quarter notes. There's a link in the description below where you can find all of these free YouTube tutorial lessons. Thank you so much for watching. I would love it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in lesson 7.